To update data within the DREAM system, there are three main ways in which you can carry this out. If you go to Data, choose an individual property, you'll see a button here that says Compare and Update. If you click that, it will query the Open EPC register and it will show you differences between DREAM and what's logged officially. So you can see here suggesting the date should change from 1955 to 1958, so we'll accept that change. On the EPC register, this property has 270 mil loft, whereas we have 0. And I'll accept these updates. For lighting, the EPC register doesn't have a value, so we'll leave that as 11, so it's unchecked. We click accept, it will update that information and it will actually rerun the calculation. So we can now see that the loft insulation has been updated, the windows have been updated, and the EPC grade has also improved. Another way we can change the data, if we go to data quality, we'll see here it's very similar to the data table. However, what you'll see at the top of each column header is the word edit, and at the moment it's greyed out, and it's ghosted out. If I go to an individual property to change, when I click that and scroll along now, I can now see that I can edit these items. So if I wanted to change the wall type to a solid brick as built, click submit, it will update that property and rerun the calculations. Likewise, I can change the glazing, the roofing and the fuel. So that was doing one property at a time. I can also, if I want, select all of the properties in this view. We'll change, so they're all pretty much at 270 apart from these two at the bottom. So let's pick everything that's got 0 loft insulation. We'll select these, and what we can do is I can then edit these, change it to, let's just say 12 mil, click submit, and what that'll do, it will update all of those properties at once, and it will rerun the calculations on all of those properties as well. Because we've selected quite a few properties, it will take a minute or two. There was 740 that matched that criteria. So it's going to update those properties and return the new updated values. An additional way that you can actually update information as well, which we'll cover in a separate tutorial, is through the support page, where you can send a spreadsheet with updated information and one of our analysts will process that for you and update the information.